Now we see the problem. Here it is calculate pH of m by 100 solution of CH3COONA at 25 degrees centigrade where pKa is 4.7. It is the problem, and here you want to find pH value. Okay, you want to find pH value for CH3COONA. Okay, right now you see within the problem here CH3COONA is given. So first we want to see what is this. Here CH3COONA, sodium acetate, it is a salt. Okay, so here a salt is given and asking to find about pH value. So whenever a salt is given, first we want to know the salt is which type. Okay, so you see CH3COONA, actually it is a salt. It is formed by taking CH3COO, it is from acid, weak acid, Na from NaOH, it is strong base. So it is a salt. This salt is salt of weak acid and strong base. Okay, it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. Okay, weak acid is acetic acid, strong base is NaOH. By the combination of weak acid and strong base, this salt is formed. Okay, and see here it is given at 25 degrees temperature. Okay, now we take the formula. At 25 degrees temperature, we want to find pH of a salt which is formed by taking weak acid and strong base. For that, the formula is 7 plus of, within the bracket we take pKa plus log C. It is the formula we applied for finding pH value of a salt which is formed by taking weak acid and strong base. The formula is 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa plus log C. It is at 25 degrees temperature because this 7 we get from ionic product of water. So at room temperature it can be taken like this. Okay. So by substituting in these values, okay, you see pH is equal 7 plus 1 by 2. In place of pKa we take 4.7 plus log C. Here C indicate concentration. Here concentration is given like this, m by 100. M by 100 means it is nothing but 1 by 100 molarity. So 1 by 100 means we take 10 power minus 2. Okay. So here we take 10 power minus 2. It is the concentration, and minus 2 right here. So it can be converted like this. 7 plus of 4.7 minus 2 log 10. Okay. So this minus 2 right here, minus 2 log 10, and log 10 value is 1. That's why here minus 2 is present. So we take like this. 7, 1 by 2, 4.7 minus 2. Okay. 4.7 minus 2 means it is nothing but 2.7. So we take 7 plus 1 by 2 into 2.7 is present. Okay. 4.7 minus 2 means 2.7. So 2.7 by 2 means it is nothing but 1.35. Okay. 2 1 are 2 and 2 3 are 6. 10 means 0.5 you take, so 1.35. So it is 7 plus 1.35. It is nothing but 8.35. So it is pH value. pH value how much you get? 8.35. And you see here 8.35 means the salt. It is pH value greater than 7 means it is an example for basic salt. Okay, because it is pH value greater than 7. Okay, so you remember, if you want to find pH value for a salt of weak acid and strong base at room temperature at 25 degrees, the formula is 7 plus of pKa plus log C. This is the formula if you want to find pH value. Okay, right. Now in place of this, in place of CH3COONA, same information is given, but now you can change the salt. It is second problem. Right, you see, if it is given like this, NH4Cl, okay, same information is given, but here the salt I have to change NH4Cl, and here in place of pKa we take pKb, which value again 4.7. Okay, if you want to find pH for this, here the salt is different, it is second problem. In place of sodium acetate, now we take NH4Cl, it is second problem. Right, now we see, so NH4Cl, here NH4Cl, it is a salt of Cl we get from strong acid. Okay, so it is salt of strong acid, and NH4 we get from weak base. Okay, right. Now it is a salt of strong acid and weak base. Now it is asking at 25 degrees temperature. Okay, right. At 25 degrees temperature, if you want to find pH, the formula is 7 minus of pKb plus log C. It is the formula for finding pH of a salt which is formed by taking strong acid and weak base. Okay, by substituting the values, again you see pH is equal to 7 minus of, and here pKb value is 4.7. Already we see concentration, so in place we write log 10 power minus 2. Okay, so we write like this, 7 minus of 4.7, and here it is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 means it is 2.7. So 7 minus 2.7 by 2. So here 2.7 by 2 means it is nothing but 1.35. Okay, so by removing this, okay, so from 7, by removing 1, we have to take like this. From 7 we can remove 1.35. So 9 and 10, 5, 6. Okay, it is 5. So it is 5.65. It is the pH value. Okay, once you see the value of pH, it is 5.65. That means less than 7. Whenever pH value is less than 7 means the salt here given is acidic salt. Okay, so a salt which is formed by taking strong acid and weak base, it's having acidic salt. Okay, so you remember these two problems. In these two problems we can find pH value of salt. So whenever a salt is given, first if you want to find pH value, first we can see the salt is which type. Okay, here NH4Cl, it is salt of strong acid and weak base. Whenever it is given at room temperature, for finding pH, 7 minus of pKb plus log C is present, or in place of these two reverse, that means weak acid strong base, already we completed the problem. In that case 7 plus of pKa plus log C, it is the formula at room temperature if you want to find. Okay, so you see minus and here plus, in place of pKb you take pKa. Okay, so you remember these two problems for finding pH of salt.